Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo V90 T6 Cross Country in ice white with a charcoal leather interior. This all-wheel drive station wagon has just over 42,000 miles on it. Ice white is such a cool, crisp color. It glows in the sunshine. It has 19-inch wheels. The protection package gives you the 360-degree camera system, which is great for parking. It has adaptive cruise control with pilot assist, that's the semi-autonomous drive mode, and the graphic heads-up display. T6 is the more powerful turbo and supercharged engine with 316 horsepower. Check out those taillights. All the Volvo lights are super distinct. In the front you have the Thor's hammer headlights. Those are active bending headlights, and these are so cool. This has dual integrated tailpipes. See the Cross Country logo across the bumper. If you need cargo space, this is the car for you. And there's even under here, and that's hydraulic, that's super cool, spare tire. Panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. There's integrated roof rails up top, so you'll be able to just add some load bars and a cargo box if you need more cargo area. Or if you're just going to get ready for ski season, throw those ski racks on there. It has the integrated booster seats. The natural grain wood is really nice. So the one closest to us is all the way down. This car is road trip ready. And that's the booster seat all the way up. And the back seats have these cool, well, all the seats in the V90s have these cool stitching details. The front seats are heated. And so is this leather-wrapped steering wheel. Frameless auto-dimming mirror. SOS is your button to hit if you are having a serious emergency. On call is if you need a tow truck or something like that. This is the control for your panoramic sunroof. And pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, so when you're driving and you set your cruise control with this button in the middle here, and then you hit up to select the speed, when you hit the right button, pilot assist will pop up. And so it won't do it now because we're not belted or driving, but the little steering wheel there will illuminate green, and then you know that the car has control over the steering, over the acceleration and the braking, and will keep you safely in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. All of your vehicle functions that you can adjust are over here. That heads-up display, you can turn that on, adjust that so that projects on your windshield, and you can raise and lower according to your height and adjust the brightness. You can also, right now it just has the road sign information beside the speed limit that you're going, which is nice. You can have turn-by-turn directions in there as well. This is that 360-degree camera system, so you can, when you pull into a parking lot or a tight garage, that automatically pops on, which is really nice. You can see everything that's going on. And then also when you put it into reverse, the backup camera will automatically pop up, but you can also grab that 360 from there as well. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, download whatever you like, and create your very own road trip ready Swedish sanctuary. This is stock number 6546A, and it's available for immediate delivery on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. So come get your car. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.